Hi, greetings. It's me, Dr. Paul Gerhardt, and you are just finishing up week number 1. And hopefully you've read chapters 1 and chapter 2. And even though this discussion question asks you to kind of think deeper about communication, I want you to really be able to recognize that this is not the kind of course that's meant for you to look up the answers along the way. It's an opportunity for you to do some critical thinking and think about the concepts that are involved and to be able to understand how they all fit in the bigger scheme of things. So in this first chapter, we talk about the goal of human relations, organizational behaviors, interpersonal skills, intrapersonal skills, leadership skills, different levels of organizational behavior and what organizations are as a whole. And then performance and systems effect, and then theory Z and the total person approach, and then win-win situations. You're going to see these concepts work together throughout each of these modules. And I double dog dare you to read the chapters more than once. I know that some people, if they're like me, when you first got into college, you didn't do much reading, or you thought you read enough, but you had to read the chapters over and over again before anything stuck. Well, that's how you can make the content become alive. Recognize that this is one of the few courses that you're going to take that you can apply these concepts each and every day to create an amazing life and an amazing career. Because most people who are getting fired from their jobs are getting fired because of their lack of human relations skills. And the people who are getting promoted are the ones who have the best interpersonal or human relations skills. So this is a powerful course that if you really take the time to read the chapters, do the Learn Smart assignments, and then take the quizzes before the due dates that are posted in McGraw-Hill Connect, you can really become a master at human relations, and you get to choose your own destiny. Of course, we all choose our own destinies, but some of us don't even realize how much that our actions make a positive or a negative difference. This is a course that gives you the tools to change the way you think about things. How you see things affects what you do, which affects the results or what you get out of things. And you'll probably hear me say that in future lectures too, because it really is really profound. So often we can blame other people for things that are happening to us or things that we feel like are out of our control. But recognizing that if you really learn this material, it changes the way that you see things. So do take time to really learn these concepts. Don't just read the words. Really understand the meaning behind the words and ask yourself critical thinking questions. Where have I seen this before? How could I apply this? Does this mean this or does this mean that? And by asking yourself these things, it really can help you understand how everything works in the bigger scheme of things. We get to control our own actions, and we can't really control other people. But we can choose how we feel about things based on how we see things. You hear employers talk a lot about the power of diversity and inclusion. Well, really think about that. Inclusion means really involving other people, making them feel included. How powerful of a concept is that? And diversity is not just about color of skin, gender, hair color, eye color, what language you speak, cultures, who you go home to at night, who we're attracted to. That's an important part. All of those things are an important part of who we are. But the way we think about things, that's the true diversity that we have to offer people. So recognizing that you get to control your own growth means you get to control your own success. The more intellectual tools that you have, that you put into your intellectual toolbox here in college, that will help determine your success because you'll understand how things work together. So I double dog dare you to read the chapters more than once. I double dog dare you to engage above and beyond just the minimum amount throughout the week in our discussion questions. Really savor the lessons. Really savor the insights and consider the insights of your classmates as you go through each of these modules. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you to really gain the tools and skills that employers are looking for. It's about interpersonal abilities, it's about human relations, and you can have them if you choose to make this course a powerful learning experience. Thank you so much for being here and for taking time to watch the rest of this video. I hope you enjoy the course, and I hope that you have a great day, because only you get to choose how you feel about it. I'm